Dang. Oh! Oh! Here! Yo!
Bless, 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 bless.
What's in that bag,
Guys, welcome back to Double Lip Production Video. I'm Angel.
I'm Abel, and we're about to do a watermelon challenge.
Let's get it! Let's get it! You know how you do it?
Yeah. Oh!
Hasta medio, right?
Yeah.
You wanna do all those?
Later.
So I can't take it.
Alright, we're down to
Oh my god, the just our toughest feeling, Hecka. Right here. Yes, right there. It's right there.
Yo, look at the top. Look at the top.
I know, hurry.
The other side, you guys.
Come on.
Oh, I'm scared.
Can't wait to eat it.
Yo. Can we do it? No, it's the same.
Look.
Dang. Oh! Oh! Here! Yo!
Hey!
That scared me!
I'm gonna watch it.
I'm gonna stop it.
No! I'm good.
Look at
That was a clean cut, bro. Look at
Destroyed it, bro.
I'm pretty confused, man. That's scary. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching our video. You know what it is. We out.
Bless, 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 bless.
What's in that bag, boy?